Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I'm very excited to present you another piece of automobilia from the MS Classic Cars collection. This is an outstanding and famous 1941 Buick Steelcraft pedal car that was featured on the famous show Pawn Stars. We've got to come closer and check this out. It's something I'm really proud of. You can see a complete listing on our website at msclassiccars.com. We have highlights, we have a description, we have a ton of photos. This is definitely something you don't want to miss. As I mentioned, it was featured on the famous TV show Pawn Stars. It was actually Pawn Stars Do America, which is kind of a spin-off of their normal Pawn Stars show that takes place in their location in Las Vegas. This one is actually season 2, episode number 8 in Louisville, Kentucky. It was actually released on December 19th, 2023, and it was titled as Derby City Deals. The episode can be viewed on YouTube TV. Of course, you have to be a subscriber for that. For anybody who doesn't know, Steelcraft toys were made by the Murray, Ohio Manufacturing Company, a Cleveland firm that opened in 1919 to make parts available for automobiles. By 1923, Murray also was making toy cars using the steel and production methods used to manufacture full-size car parts. That is super cool. The toys were marketed as Steelcraft wheel goods. This diversity helped Murray survive the Depression. The company's pedal cars, airplanes, coaster wagons, bicycles, and smaller wheel toys were marked as Steelcraft. The identification seen by today's collector, and they have a lot of value in the marketplace. As documented on Pawn Stars, this example was discovered as an original 41 Buick Steelcraft pedal car that was slightly modified for an amusement park. It was used as a small car for a young child that was attached to a circle track. It was brought to Pawn Stars by its owner and offered for sale. Pawn Stars owner Rick Harrison collaborated with expert Bob Ewis, I believe is how you pronounce his name, of Bob Ewis Restorations for advice. Bob explained that it was an original 41 Buick Steelcraft pedal car that was very collectible. Bob gave Rick an estimate to restore it to original condition, and Rick purchased it. Bob completed the restoration and presented it at the end of the episode, which was absolutely epic. MS Classic Cars purchased it directly from the world-famous gold and silver pawn shop on December 23rd, 2023, shortly after the episode aired on TV. The purchase does include a certificate of authenticity signed by Rick Harrison, which was professionally framed. Please note that the certificate does state Season 2, Episode 7, but its correct episode was 8. The purchase also includes an authentic world-famous gold and silver pawn shop t-shirt that was autographed by Rick Harrison, Corey, who's known as Big Hoss, Harrison, and Austin Chumley Russell. Both of these items are pictured and included with the sale. So again, this is a super cool piece. For anybody that knows pedal cars, this is one of the most collectible and iconic pedal cars of all time. We've had it proudly on display in the MS Classic Cars collection. As the episode showed, this was in pretty rough shape when the gentleman had brought it to them. He put it on the table. It looked like it might have been painted red and gray. What they did is they customized the floorboard. They actually modified the front end, and they had a tow hook on the front here. And what it would do is it would pull a series of these pedal cars around in a circle for really young children that maybe were too small to ride the larger rides. I could only imagine going back into the 40s, 50s, however long this particular amusement ride place was in business, how many hundreds, if not thousands of children actually sat in this particular ride and had the time of their life. The memories are really just crazy. I can only imagine the history of what this has been through, like a lot of these classic cars that we have and so forth. So once Rick purchased it, which by the way, on the show, if you watch the episode, he paid the gentleman $1,000 for it and needed a full restoration. Bob, the expert who does a lot of the restorations for Pawn Stars, had told Rick that it was in the $7,500, I think he said the $8,500 range of price once it was fully restored. I definitely paid a premium for this piece, not only because of what it is, but because of the fact that it's famous, being on the TV show. It was my request to actually have the certificate of authenticity done, which was great. I actually paid to have that framed at our local Frames of Mind company down the street right here in Seekonk. And then I negotiated that t-shirt, which the cast signed, as I said earlier, which they actually framed for me as part of the deal. And then, of course, I had to pay for shipping and things like that. So he restored this back to original condition. Again, this is an all steel deal here. I think Bob had said in the episode, which I found to be really funny, he said that this pedal car has more steel than a Toyota does. But anyway, thought that was interesting. But he did a great job finishing the body work. He converted it back to the original style that it would have been when it was new. Obviously got rid of that tow hook in the front, added all of the new trim and everything else, did a beautiful job. And he also painted it in the color that would have been error correct, which is this gorgeous color green with this creamy white. It is absolutely a stunning piece. Again, I got my flashlight on here. All of these pieces have been restored, so there's really no point in going over those in any detail. The only imperfections really that I see on the piece, there's a little bit of chipping right here that came from the actual windshield trim itself. The paint in here does have a little bit of discoloration. Again, nothing that's a big deal, just want to make sure I mention it. And then under the steering bolt here, you can see where the paint has chipped just a little bit. But again, that's really the only things that I've noticed on this entire piece that are worth mentioning. He did a beautiful job. The pedal assembly is new, the pedals themselves are new, the wheels are new, the tires, everything else has been restored to a high level. We absolutely, we're going to display this and display it proudly on this table. Corey went out and found a white sheet today to give it its total, showcase. And then, of course, we put these two pieces here for the ultimate presentation. So I have decided to list this on a Bring a Trailer auction with no reserve. Again, Bring a Trailer is a company that we do a lot of business with. It's an online auction platform that's really got a ton of subscribers, a ton of registered bidders. We have a very high sell-through rate there, and we feel that this is definitely worth selling at no reserve. This is not an inexpensive deal here, so do not sleep on this. Once the auction does go live, it will be 7 days. We will have a live link on our website, so you can just join it right from there. We would also ask that you sign up for our VIP newsletter, because once the auction is live, we will make an announcement of that via email, which all of our subscribers get. We'll also put it on social media as well, so please follow us on that platform as well. We're on all the major networks like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all that good stuff, okay? So once again, beautiful piece, famous pedal car, certificate of authenticity, signed cast t-shirt here, just a really special piece. The winning bidder, the new owner, I will assist with enclosed shipping, which will be more than likely crated, and then it will be ship freight. We use our local craters and freighters for all of that. So maybe we can ship that way, or if you buy a vehicle from us, maybe we can put it inside the vehicle and just secure it. That's an idea. Anyway, we appreciate you watching. At MS Classic Cars, we're always keeping it classic, and we always want to make sure that we tell you to rock and roll.